Assalamu alaikum. This is Robil Islam Robin. Welcome to Robin's Academy. Today we are learning how to make this beautiful animation circle in a square slide in PowerPoint. All the way from scratch, including all the transitions that you can see on the screen. The content is pretty cool and clear. So let's get started. At the beginning, we are going to layout and select blank layout and go to insert and select the picture. Select this one. You are insert any picture what you want. Use that picture. Increase the size left and right and go to color. I'm using black and white color. Okay. And now we are going to home and select circle shape, draw it here, go to format, shape outline. I'm using no outline and go to align. I'm using center and again align middle. Now right click on the oval shape and go to format shape, select gradient fill. And I'm using 4 gradient stops. There are one color, but I'm using transparency. First one 85%, second one 20%, and third and fourth both are 0%. Okay, our circle look like this. Okay, now we are going to home and select text box, draw it here. And I'm typing welcome, align center and go to font. I'm using TWCEN empty font and select bold and increase the font size. Okay, go to format, align center and place it here. Hold the Ctrl key and drag here for duplicate and change the text. I'm using everyone. Okay, go to home and uncheck the bold and decrease the font size like this. Okay, and select both text box and go to font color. I'm using white color. Okay, now we are duplicate the oval shape for Ctrl D and place it here, decrease the size. Okay, now duplicate the shape again, place it here and decrease the size and duplicate the circle again, place it here, decrease the size and duplicate it again and increase size. Okay, now right click on it and duplicate the slide, duplicate again. Okay, and go to first slide and zoom out the slide. Okay, and select the circle, place it here and select this circle also and place it here. Okay, now go to second slide, select the picture and little bit zoom in the picture. Okay, go to third slide, place the circle here. Okay, and select also this one and place it here. Okay, now go to shape and select rectangle shape and drag it here. Go to format and shape outline, using no outline. Okay, go to shape fill and I'm using dark gray color. Okay, and go to transparency. I'm using 35%. Now insert a text box here and type like chapter 1. Okay, Go to font color. I'm using white and font is TWCENMT. Okay, select bold, go to align center, text box align also center, and increase the font size. Okay, now I'm going to text box again, draw it here, and I'm using some dummy text. You can see. Okay, increase the font size. Text align, I'm using justify. Okay, that's pretty cool. Increase font size some bit here. Okay, now go to circle shape and do it here. Place it here, little bit smaller. Okay, go to format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill. I'm using white and I'm write 1. The color is white, that why I can't see. Go to home and font color, I'm using black. Font, I'm using same font, TWCENMT, and increase the font size, bold. Now select text box and shapes, circle shapes, and Ctrl G for group, Ctrl D for duplicate, and place on it here, and Ctrl D for duplicate again, and change the letter using 2, and third one I'm using 3. Now select the whole content on the slide, press Ctrl C for copy and go to second slide, press Ctrl V for paste, and place on the bottom here. Now I'm going to transitions and select morph transitions and select apply to all. Okay, and go to slideshow and using from beginning. That's pretty cool. Our animation is done. You can download this template for free. I have given the link in the video descriptions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for the watching.